Hi, welcome back. In the previous video, we discussed about managing product delivery process. In this video, let us look at managing stage boundary process. The purpose of managing a stage boundary process is to enable the project manager to provide a project board with sufficient information to be able to review the success of the current management stage, approve the next stage plan, review the updated project plan, and confirm continued business justification and acceptability of the risk. The objectives of managing a stage boundary process is to assure the project board that all products in the current stage are produced and approved, prepare the stage plan for the next management stage, review and update if necessary the usual documents which are the project initiation documentation, business case, project plan and risk register, provide the information needed to the project board to assess the continuing viability of the project, record any lessons in the lessons log that can help later stage or in future projects. Finally, request authorization to start the next management stage. So, during exception, managing a stage boundary process reviews and if necessary update the PID, provide the information needed for the project board to assess the continuing viability of the project, prepare an exception plan as directed by the project board, seek approval to replace the project plan or stage plan for the current management stage with the exception plan. Managing a stage boundary process, the context should be whether the project is standalone or a part of program, project products and should deliver benefits. This is confirmed at each stage end to decide whether to go to the next stage or not, or to change the direction. A decision not to proceed continue is not a failure. The process also provides a means by which an exception process can be implemented. The activities of managing a stage boundary process are: plan the next management stage, update the project plan, update the business case, report management stage end and produce an exception plan. To summarize, in this video, we discussed the purpose, objective, context and activities of managing stage boundary process. In the next video, let us look at closing a project process.